अस्सलाम व्यूअर्स, में खैरियत से होंगे। आज की वीडियो में आपको बताएंगे फर्स्ट ईयर का बायो का जो है सॉल्व्ड ऑब्जेक्टिव। पिछले 2015 से लेके अब तक के जितने भी पेपर्स हैं उनका ऑब्जेक्टिव पास पेपर से सॉल्व दिखाएंगे। वीडियो में अंत तक हमारे साथ रहिएगा ताकि आपका जो है कोई क्वेश्चन मिस ना हो और आपके फुल मार्क्स आए ऑब्जेक्टिव में। स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की वीडियो। इंटर पार्ट 1 लाहौर बोर्ड का 2015 का पेपर है जी। ऑर्गेनल ऑफ सिम्बियोटिक ओरिजिन इज माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया। द नंबर ऑफ क्लोरोप्लास्ट इन ईच मेसोफिल सेल इज अबाउट कितने होते हैं जी? 20 से लेके 100 तक। पिली आर मेड ऑफ स्पेशल प्रोटीन कॉल्ड पिलिन। एंसाइलोस्टोमा ड्यूडिनल इज बायोलॉजिकल नेम ऑफ राउंड वर्म, यानी सेकंड नेम है राउंड वर्म का। अ लार्ज रीजनल कम्युनिटी primarily determined by the biome. Pulse producing plants are belonging to the family Fabaceae. The cells which supply ATP and proteins to sieve tubes are called companions. Certain types of whales are also filter feeders. Number 9, Casparian strips are present in the cell of fruit. एंडोडर्मिस के रूट में जो है ये प्रेजेंट होती है। मोस्ट ऑफ द सेलुलर सेक्रीशंस आर इन नेचर ऑफ द ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन। द मोस्ट कॉमन रस्ट फंजी आर पोसीनिया। हाउ मच एयर लंग्स आर कैन होल्ड व्हेन दे आर फुली इन्फ्लेटेड? 5 लीटर्स जो है वो होल्ड कर सकते हैं। ब्लड ऑफ आर्थ्रोपोड लेस होता है। इन रेस्पिरेटरी चेन NADH is oxidized by coenzymes. Next है जी, the resolution of typical compound microscope is 2 micrometer. The causative agent of African sleeping sickness is trypanosoma. Induced fit model was proposed by Koshland. Mad cow disease is caused by prions, important sources of atmospheric oxygen released during photosynthesis is water. A bacteria with single polar flagellum is called the monotrichus. Next, polymorphism is the characteristics of the member of phylum Canidaria. In 1997, scientists in Scotland succeeded in cloning a sheep. Fertilization is the characteristics of angiosperms. The uncontrolled production of white blood cell results in leukemia. A neurotic disorder in slightly ordered girl is bulimia nervosa. The renal vein brings the impure blood from the kidney. Phosphatidylcholine is one of the common phospholipid. Poisonous mushrooms are called the toadstools. Lungs of the birds have thin-walled ducts called the parabroncha. Marsupium is the characteristic feature of opossum. Quantitative study of the energy relationship in biological system is called bioenergetics. A group of ribosomes attached to mRNA are known as polysomes. An outer flexible covering of the ciliates is pellicle. According to lock and key model, the active site is rigid structure. Next है जी, if non-protein part is loosely attached to protein, it is known as coenzyme. Bacteriophage replicates only in bacterial cell. An outer flexible covering of the ciliates is pellicle. Tracheophyta is further subdivided into 4 subdivisions. The larva found in echinoderms is Bipinaria. Quantitative study of energy relationship in biological system is called bioenergetics. Tiny thin-walled ducts called parabronchi are present in the lungs of the birds. The ions involved in the opening and closing of stomata are potassium. The study of distribution of animals is called zoogeography. Human tissues have 85% water in cells of the brain. Cell wall is secreted by protoplasm, which is an aerobic bacterium, Pseudomonas. Plasma proteins constitute percent by weight of plasma है जी, percentage जिसकी है 7 to 9%. Aquatic arthropods respire through the gills. Gills के through respire करते हैं. In root modulus bacteria convert nitrogen into nitrate. Astocyanin protein contains copper. Devastatin is used for the lowering blood cholesterol. Next है जी, the study of parasite is called parasitology. In bacterial cell, the water percentage is 70%. The optimum temperature for enzyme to work at maximum rate in human is 37. Robert Brown reported the presence of nucleus. The number of amsomers present in herpes virus capsid is called 162 capsomers. The bacteria with the tuft of the flagella at one pole is called Ophotrichus. Epicomplexans moves by flexing. In fungi, spores are produced inside the reproductive structure called sporangia. The bryophytes are non-vascular type flowerless plants होते हैं. Carbohydrate digesting enzymes are called the amylase. Respiratory activity which occur in plants during daytime is called photorespiration. In birds, the organ of voice is called syrinx, which is the true sequence of the bones in the mammalian ear, malleus, incus or stapes. The electron transport chain system plays role in generation of ATP by chemiosmosis. Number 15. The exchange of gases CO2 and O2 between the organism and its environment is called the external respiration. In the embryonic life, the red blood cells are formed, liver and spleen. The heart is enclosed in a double membranous called पेरिकार्डियम. पेरिकार्डियम के अंदर जो है हार्ट एनक्लोज होता है. लोवास्टेशन इज यूज्ड टू कंट्रोल द ब्लड कोलेस्ट्रॉल. श्रिंकेज ऑफ द प्रोटोप्लास्ट ड्यू टू X osmosis of water is called plasmolysis. Iron containing protein is called ferredoxin. Keratin is an example of the fibrous protein present in mosquito injects plasmodium to human in the form of sporozoites. Number of legs in arachnids are 8 होती हैं जी. The optimum pH of pepsin enzyme is 2. Casparian stripes are present in the cells of roots of endodermis. Number of air sacs in birds is next to the plasma membrane and everything present within it is called the protoplasm. Pepsin is secreted by zymogen cell. The number of capsomeres present in the capsid of the herpes virus are 162. Common names of Ankylostoma duodenale is the hookworm. A large regional community primarily determined by the climate is by Clitoria ternata is used against the snake bite. The first step of Krebs cycle in union of the acetyl CoA with oxaloacetate to form the क्या बनता है जी citrate. The bacteria without any flagella are called the Atricus. Population of the different species living in the same habitat form a community. Cotton is the pure form of cellulose. Enzyme lowers down the energy of activation. Ribosomal RNA is synthesized and stored in nucleus. A temperate phase may exist in prophase. Important factor in modern genetic engineering is plasmids. Example of epicomplexan is Plasmodium. Rust disease is caused by Puccinia. A haploid spermatozoite fuses with the haploid eggs to produce diploids. इसका आ जाएगा आंसर ऑस्पोर. The phylum which is exclusively marine is Ionodermata. The presence of notochord is the character of chordata. उसके बाद है जी प्लास्टोकायनिन प्रोटीन कंटेन्स कॉपर. क्लोरोफिल ए इज ब्लू ग्रीन कलर का होता है. हेपाटिक एंड पैंक्रियाटिक सिक्रीशंस आर stimulated by hormone. Hepatic and pancreatic secretions are also stimulated by hormone secretin. The main sites of the exchange of gases in plants are stomata. Casparian stripes are present in endodermis. The normal pH of blood is 7.4. Next paper is the animal with the exceptionally large brain is octopus. Tentacles is the characteristics of hydra. The resolution of the human naked eye is 1 millimeter. उसके बाद है जी spiracles are found in cockroach. Lovastatin is used for lowering blood cholesterol. A single circuit circulation is found in fish. Bacteria without any flagella are called the Atricus. The most abundant carbohydrate is cellulose. The hypothesis that plants split water as a source of hydrogen was given by Van Neel. Photosynthetic prokaryotes lack the chloroplast. Number 11. Tomato belongs to the family Solanaceae. Induced fit model was proposed by the Koshland. Unicellular non-motile green alga is called the chlorella. Binomial nomenclature system was given by Linnaeus. The anemone belongs to phylum Volanterata. Antiserum is the sperm containing antibody. In human body, amount of oxygen is 65%. Next is in Chylostomata duodenal is commonly known as hookworm. The partly digested food in cockroach is temporarily stored in crop. The percentage of lipids in plasma membrane is 20 to 40%. In the lungs of the birds, tiny thin wall ducts for the constant ventilation are called the parabronchi. उसके बाद है जी Rhizopus belongs to the phylum Zygomycota. Next है जी change in water potential of the system due to presence of the solute molecules called the solute potential. Germ theory of disease was formulated by Robert Koch. Germ theory of disease was formulated by Robert Koch. The specific heat of vaporization of water is 574 kilocalorie per kilogram. Energy poor inorganic oxides compounds are reduced to energy and carbohydrates during the photosynthesis. Thylakoid membranes are involved in ATP synthesis by chemiosmosis. Number 11 है जी Mosses belongs to the subdivision Bryopsida. Number 12 है the vitamins are essential raw material for the synthesis of coenzymes. The feeding stage of a smile mold is called Plasmodium organelle. Of the symbiotic origin is mitochondria. In phylum Coelenterate, special cells anidocytes give rise to nematocysts. In male human being, the amount of red blood cells per cubic millimeter is यानी 5.5 billion जो है. A group of similar cells that performs a specific function is called tissue. Next है single circuit heart is present in fish. The intestinal cocci are present in digestive system of cockroach. The dark reaction of the photosynthesis occur in stroma. Flame cells are excretory cells in flatworms. The visible part of lichen is fungi. The visible part of the lichen is fungi. The bioelement which account 18% of the total mass in human body is carbon. The competitive inhibitors of the succinic acid is malonic acid. Hepatitis B is also called the serum hepatitis. The edible algae is calves. Plasma proteins constitutes present by the weight of the plasma 7 to 9. Next है during photorespiration, glycan is converted into serine in organelle. During photorespiration, the glycine is converted into serine in organelle. इसका है जी mitochondria. The amount of energy present within the chemical bonds of the glucose is converted in ATP during anaerobic respiration is 2%. Syrinx is the organ of voice in birds. All seed-producing plants are called the spermatophytes. Bacteria without any flagella are called the atrichus. The attachment of the two subunits of ribosomes is controlled by magnesium 2 positive. Keratin is an example of fibrous protein present in nails. Next है जी which one is not a viral disease? Tetanus viral नहीं है. Psilopsida sporangia are produced at tips of the branches. Organisms that live upon or within another organisms are called parasites. Passive immunity is developed by injecting the antiserum. A group of similar cells that perform similar function is called tissue. Calvin cycle is also known as C3 pathway. Optimum pH for action of the pancreatic lipase is 9. उसके बाद है जी cartilaginous fishes contain scales placoid. The total transpiration through cuticle is 5 to 7%. Amoeba moves and obtains food by means of pseudopodia. Covalent bond between two monosaccharides is called glycosidic bond. Parasitic fungi directly absorbs nutrients from living host by Hostoria. Mesosomes are internal extension of cell membrane. Mollusca blue respiratory pigment is present called the hemocyanin. Did you discover cell organelle lysosomes? Oxygen released during photosynthesis comes from the water during photorespiration. Glycine is converted into serine in mitochondria. Next paper है the bioelements which account for 98% of the total mass in human body are six. Hydrogen bond between adenine and thymine are three. An enzyme reacts only with its specific substrate. Robert Hooke reported his work in his famous publication known as Micrographia. The single-stranded RNA tumor viruses are spherical. When cocci occur in pairs, their arrangement is Diplococcus. The classification of algae into a phyla is largely based on the classification of the algae into phyla is largely based on the composition of pigments, right? उसके बाद है जी all fungi nuclei are haploid except of the transient type diploid zygote. An ovule is an integumented indehiscent. इसका आ जाएगा जी मेगा sporangia. Ascaris lumbriocoides is an intestinal parasite of man. The asexual reproduction in sponges is by budding. Thylakoid membrane are involved in ATP synthesis by process known as chemiosmosis. Chloroplast has a double membrane envelope that encloses a dense fluid-filled region known as stroma. Thalassemia is also called Poulet's anemia. Enlargement of spleen is seen in thalassemia. The enzyme that digests carbohydrates are amylase. The heart of fishes is single circuit. Next paper है जी one complete heart cycle lasts for about 0.8 second. In earth form, exchange of gases mainly takes place through the skin. Number of chloroplasts in each mesophyll cell is about 20 to 100. Which of the following is the motile coelenterate jellyfish? Double fertilization is characteristic feature of the angiosperms. Entamoeba histolytica causes amoebic dysentery. Orders include related families. Poisons like cyanides, antibiotic and some drugs are the examples of inhibitors. Study of social behavior of human is called social biology. Most abundant carbohydrate in nature is cellulose. Group of ribosomes attached to mRNA molecule is polysome. Conjugation in bacteria is promoted. Histoplasmosis is a lungs disease. Pseudophylum is the characteristic feature of the phylum Nematoda. pH gradient drives the formation of ATP across membrane in the process called the chemiosmosis. In Hydra, ectodermal cells get food from endodermal cells by diffusion. Casparian strips are present in endodermis. नेक्स्ट पेपर है जी इन कॉकरोच पार्टली डाइजेस्टेड फूड इज टेम्परेरीली स्टोर्ड इन किसमें स्टोर्ड होता है जी क्रॉप में मोर एड्स इज काज्ड बाय वायरस एस्कैरिस लम्ब्रियोकाइड्स इज एन इंटेस्टाइनल पैरासाइट ऑफ मैन lycopsids are commonly called club mosses cotton in a pure form of cellulose the casparian strips are present in endodermal cell of roots. Which one of the following is the aerobic bacteria? Pseudomonas. In respiratory chain, NADH is oxidized by coenzyme. Muscles of the stomach are of the which type? Smooth. Excretory systems of the flatworms is composed of the flame cells. Poisons like cyanides are the example of inhibitors. The respiratory systems is most efficient in birds. Which metal atom is present in the chlorophyll? Magnesium. The substance which inhibits blood clotting इसका आ जाएगा जी heparin. Common name of pyrophyta is dinoflagellum. Cell membrane has 60 to 80% proteins. Next paper है radiotherapy and chemotherapy are used in the treatment of cancer. Total number of amino acid in insulin are 51. The enzymes with the optimum pH 5.50 is enterokinase. The factory of ribosome is the nucleus. Fig could be the source of the infection of hepatitis E. Cell wall is only absent in Mycoplasma. Trypanosoma is an example of zoo flagellates. Loose smuts of the wheat is caused by Strilago. The earliest group of vascular plant is Psilopsida. Organ of the voice in birds is called the syrinx. Mammals become dominant in the Cenozoic period. In the first step of the citric acid cycle, acetyl CoA reacts with the oxaloacetate to form the citrate. उसके बाद है हाइम पोर्शन ऑफ द हीमोग्लोबिन इज आल्सो प्रोफाराइन रिंग बट containing an iron instead of magnesium. In human stomach, HCl is secreted by oxyntic या parietal cell. Most elaborate and efficient respiratory system is present in birds. The left systematic arc disappears in birds. Basophils produce a substance that inhibits blood clotting. इसका आ जाएगा जी heparin. The mammalian red blood cells are biconcave. Each basophil cell has about 20 to 100 chloroplasts. The phenomenon in which loss of liquid water secreting glands take place in guttation. Ankylostoma duodenal is commonly known as hookworm. The number of pairs of spiracles in abdominal segments of cockroach are 8. Amoeba moves by forming specialized cytoplasmic projection called pseudopodia. All flatworms belong to phylum Platyhelminth. About 25 minutes after initial infection, approximate number of new bacteriophages forms is 200. Pyruvic acid is produced as a result of glycolysis. The soluble part of the cytoplasm is called cytosol. Double fertilization is the characteristic features of angiosperm. Emil Fischer proposed a lock and key model in 1890. As a result of meiosis, the number of ascospores produced in each ascus is 8. Human tissue contains about 20% water in bone cells. Length of the duodenum is 20 to 25 centimeter. A large regional community primarily determined by the climate is biome. A cell wall of the gram-positive bacteria are stained purple. Purple color की होती है जी. Zoo geography is the study of distribution of what in the nature animals. Water makes how much percent of the total cell weight in bacterial cell? 70%. An activated enzymes consistive polypeptide chain and a cofactor is known as holoenzyme. 1 micrometer is equal to 1 into 10 raised to minus 6 of a meter. The major cell infected by HIV is helper T lymphocytes. The bacteria, when the division is in 3 planes, it will produce which arrangements? ये आ जाएगा जी सार्सिना. Trypanosoma is transmitted by the bite of infected testifly. Nuclear fusion in Basidium is followed by meiosis, which induced in non-vascular plants hornworts. A respiratory pigment of the blue in color called hemocyanin is present in the animal of which phylum? इसका आ जाएगा जी मोलस्का. Shark liver oil is used in medicine as a source of vitamin A and D. Which of the following is related to phytol C20H39? As a result of energy conversion during light-dependent reaction, reducting and assimilatory power is formed in the form of NADPH2 and ATP. Incomplete or imperfect digestion is called the dyspepsia. Oxygen diffuses how many times more quickly in air than in water? 8,000 times. It is third mechanism to defend the body against the foreign invader is immune system. In myocardial infarction, which organ is affected? Heart infected. The reasoning that moves from general to specific is called inductive. The heterogeneous group of compounds are related to fatty acid is called the lipids. Enzymes involved in photosynthesis, it's found in chloroplast. The process of taking in solids in material by cell membrane is called the phagocytosis. Solanum tubersum is the scientific name of potato. उसके बाद है जी हम osmosis are internal extension of the cell membrane. Algae differ from plants in sex organ in algae are unicellular. Lovastatin is fungal product which lower the blood cholesterol. All seed producing plants are called the spermatophytes. Mammals have evolved from the reptilian Cotylosaurs. Which one of the following is the placental mammal batch? Chlorophyll A is का blue green होती है. Calvin cycle is also known as C3 pathway. Next है जी respiratory pigment present in muscles is called myoglobin. The pathway involving system of adjacent cell wall is called plasmodesmata. Single circuit heart is found in fish. Next है जी study of the distribution of animal in nature is called the zoogeography. The percentage of water in human bone cell is called 20. If non-protein part of the enzyme is loosely attached to the protein part, it is known as coenzyme. Number of chromosomes in a diploid cell of potato is 48. Which of the following viral disease is caused by DNA virus? क्या कहलाती है जी Herpes simplex. When flagella surround the whole cell of the bacterium, such condition is called peritrichus. Which of the following belongs to red algae? ये जी belong करती है chondrus. Among gymnosperms, tex plant is commonly called yew. The member of the coelenterate commonly called Portuguese man of war is Physalia. Which of the following annelids is marine? ये है जी nereis. Plastocyanin is a protein which contains copper. During respiratory chain, NADH is oxidized by the coenzyme Q. Zymogenic cells of the gastric gland secreted the pepsinogen. Next है जी arterial blood contains carbon dioxide about 50 ml per 100 ml. Plants open their stomata by actively pumping which ions causing water to flow by osmosis? Potassium ions. Percentage of the red pigment of the hemoglobin in cytoplasm of the red blood cell is 95%. Next paper है the branch of the biology which deals with the using of living organisms, systems or processes in manufacturing and service industry is called the biotechnology. Types of amino acids found occur in the cells and tissues is about 170. The enzymes involved in cellular respiration are found in mitochondria. Which one of the following cellular organelles is called powerhouse of the cell? Mitochondria. Which one of the following viral disease is not caused by RNA virus? Smallpox. Which one of the following is an example of spiral-shaped bacteria? Hypomicrobium. Which one of the following belongs to green algae? Acetabular. Number 8 है imperfect fungi belongs to phylum Deuteromycota. Among gymnosperms, cedrus plant is commonly called deodar. Among vertebrates, stingrays are fishes. Which of the following annelids is marine nereis? Alcoholic and lactic acid fermentation yields small amount of energy present within the chemical bond of glucose, which is converted into ATP. It is only about 2%. During glycolysis 1 to 3, bisphosphoglycerate gives 1 phosphate to ATP to convert into ATP and becomes 3 phosphoglycerates. Number 14, in stomach, hydrochloric acid is secreted in concentrate form. For the pepsin to act on protein, pH is adjusted ranging from 2 to 3. Venous blood contains carbon dioxide about 54 ml per 100 ml. The average lifespan of the red blood cell in human is about 4 per month. It is estimated that the normal person's blood cells and cell-like bodies constitute by the volume of the blood 45%. Pasteurization technique is widely used for preservation of milk and products. The compound which on hydrolysis yield polyhydroxy aldehydes or ketone subunits are carbohydrates. The raw material from which coenzymes are made proteins. Organelle involved in the synthesis of ATP is mitochondria. Prions are made of protein. A cube of 8 cocci is called sarcina. Tests of 4 aminifera are made up of calcium, Corn smut is caused by Astilegomydes. The female gamophyte of the flowering plant consists of 7 cells. Blastopore forms NS is echinodermate. The parasite which produces anticoagulant to prevent blood clotting is hookworm. Number of NADH produced by passing one pyruvative molecule through Krebs cycle pyruvic oxidation is 4. Which part of the light spectrum produces more oxygen during photosynthesis? Blue. And enterokinase enzyme is secreted by lining of the duodenum. Smoker's cough cause emphysema. The weight of blood in a man of 60 kg is 5 kg. The cells which supply ATP and proteins to sieve tubes are companion cells. Next paper, a plant requires nitrogen and sulfur for its enzymes. Histoplasmosis is the disease of lungs. Prions are made up of proteins. Which of the following does not belong to phylum Platyhelminthes? Crab. Clitoria termata is used against snake bites. Fats and oils have scientific gravity of about 0.8. Following are the organic nutrients present in the blood except fats. Choose the smallest bacteria, Mycoplasma. Chlorophyll molecule contains the following except iron. The study of distribution of animals in nature is called zoogeography. The largest invertebrate is the giant squid. Coenzyme is close related to vitamins. How much air can hold fully inflated lungs? 5 liter. How many carbon dioxide molecules are produced from complete breakdown of one pyruvate? 2. Closed circulatory system is present in animal except spiders. Example of epicomplexans is Plasmodium. The number of nuclear pores in undifferentiated cells such as eggs are 3000. Next paper है जी, the 16 elements that occur in organisms are called the bioelements. The glucose forms a 6 concerned rings when dissolved in water is called the glycopyranose. An enzyme and its substrate reacts with each other through a definite charge bearing structure. Active site. The surplus food in plants is stored in parenchymatous cells. The bacteriophage replicates only in the bacterial cell. Certain electromagnetic rays below 300 nm are effective in killing microorganisms. John Hogg in 1861 proposed kingdom Concigi Protista for microorganisms. Fungi grow best in the habitat moist. The genus which is not included in gymnosperm is called the Crataegus. Which of the following group includes largest number of species insects? The paired gill openings are developed in all chordates but non-functional is Amphioxus. Which of the following is produced by reaction taken place in the thylakoids? ATP, NADP, H2CO2. In which of the following the first molecule is reduced to second molecule? Glucose to pyruvic acid. Glucose to pyruvic acid. The example of parasitic plant is Cuscuta. The bird's lung have thin-walled ducts called the parabronchi. Which of the following initiates the process of blood clotting? Conversion of fibrinogen to fibrin. Which of the following is not a part of the human immune system? Antigen. Next paper है, the amount of carbon dioxide transport in the form of HCO3 is 70%. Blood clots are prevented by heparin. Blade strips and holdfasts are the part of chlorella. Dash is not a part of electron transport chain. Acetyl CoA. The sponge of the fresh water is Spongilla. Horace tail belongs to subdivision Sphenopsida. The diameter of peroximes is approximately 0.5 micrometer. Dash is not a liquid. Maltose is not a liquid. Dash is not a number of phylum Mollusca sea urchin. Most nitrogenous compounds are present in honeydew. 2%. The animal having intracellular digestion is Hydra. Mammals became dominant in Cenozoic era. The data Chable's organic cofactor of an enzyme is known as coenzyme. Dash solvent does not dissolve chlorophyll water. Dash is an insect. Crayfish cell wall of the archaeobacteria does not contain peptidoglycan. The number of ascospores in each ascus is 8. तो ये था जी ऑब्जेक्टिव बायो का फर्स्ट ईयर का। उम्मीद है आपको तमाम की समझ आ गई होगी। फिर भी आपका कोई क्वेश्चन है तो आप कमेंट में पूछ सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट वीडियो तक अल्लाह।